Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you all. Thank you this time for tuning into my 3119th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. This site is absolutely free. You know, credit cards are required, and I'm always in my live trading room. We're always there 24 hours a day. Traders, how are you? This video is coming at you on a Thursday night for Trading Thursday through Friday. That would be August 14th, 2026. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky. Never trade without protective stops, and always put those stops in first before you consider getting into a live, long or short position. What's going on? All right, so I actually planned on getting in front of the camera tonight. I printed a bunch of charts, and then I realized I've got a Raiders-Arizona game. It's a preseason, but what the hey, I've got tickets. Let's go Raiders. We'll go to the Raiders game. So quick video for you cats, and off to the Raiders game we go. All right, so E-mini S&P for trading on Friday. I left you off in this video last night exactly in this spot, and I said bull flag, breakouts coming. Let's see what's going to happen. Omni wants to go long. So here we are. This is what it looked like last night before Thursday took place. And let's add Thursday in. Bam! Look what happened on Thursday. Look at that monster run. Now here's the beauty of what happened on Thursday. The Omni focused in and brought us long right here. Right at the low. Literally, the low tick we got in. And it left us in all the way until somewhere up here and finally got us out. And we had a fantastic trading day, E-mini S&P using the Omni. And I thought I would just show that to you. We are bullish again for trading on Friday. Omni is green, pointing up, wants us to buy the dips. E-mini S&P is a good place to get started doing that because if you look, the pennant worked as a pennant. Kept this thing in check all the way along, finally had a pennant breakout. That pennant breakout was basically the bull flag pull. So now we have a bull flag, and we've had a bull flag breakout. So the analysis is working. I told you all week long that this was bullish, right? Bullish. At the end of the life of that bull flag, we should go up. That is what's happening. All right, traders, that's about all I'm showing you tonight because I got to get ready for the Raiders game, which I didn't even know until right before this video I was going to. But hey, let's get ready to go. In fact, I got to call a third and see who wants to go with me. I've got 3 tickets. Only 2 of us are going so far. Traders, remember this. I will be at my website, livewithoscar.com. I am always there. Please join us. Please like and share these videos. A round of applause for the fantastic analysis Omni put forth this week. Got us into a great trade, and hopefully we'll get us to another great trade on Friday. Buying the dips in E-mini S&P. I will see you at Live with Oscar. And remember, stops are in. You better believe it. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, get those stops in first. Keep your emotions out of trading. Follow the Omni and join me at livewithoscar.com. Please like and share these videos. I'll see you at my website.